In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 2D style 3D mouth in Blender. We'll start by building a simple mouth shape. Add a low resolution cylinder, then scale it down so it sits nicely in front of your character's face. Flatten it on the depth axis to get that cartoony 2D style silhouette. Make the intersection slightly wider so the mouth has a soft rounded cavity instead of a pinched tunnel. Now adjust the front vertices so the opening is clean and centered. Aim for even spacing so it deforms predictably later. Keeping the mesh low poly here makes rigging and animation easier and more stable. Next, cut this mouth into the head. Select the head and add a Boolean modifier. Choose the mouth object as the cutter. Then set the Boolean solver to float for faster performance during tweaks. Once it's working, hide the mouth object so you can preview the clean cut on the head without distraction. If you see shading glitches, ensure your mouth shape fully intersects the head surface. To lock in a cohesive look, assign the same material to both the head and the mouth cutter. That way, the inside of the mouth inherits the exact color you want for a consistent 2D aesthetic. Now let's create the mouth rig. Add an armature and create one bone for each front vertex around the mouth opening. Place a single master bone in the center and parent all those front bones to it. This gives you one handle for overall positioning and scaling. Add one extra bone inside the mouth to control the inner area for opening and squash and stretch. Parent the mouth mesh to the armature using empty weights so you have full control. Assign each front vertex to its nearest bone with 100% weight for crisp, directional movement. For corners, split the influence 50-50 between the two neighboring bones. This blends deformation and prevents harsh creases. Assign the inner mouth geometry fully to the inner control bone so it opens cleanly and exaggerates well. On the mouth object, place the armature modifier above the subdivision surface modifier. This ensures the rig deforms the low poly cage first, and the subdivision smooths it afterward. Connect the system to your character by parenting the master bone and the inner mouth bone to the character's head bone. Now the entire setup follows head motion. If you want an outline, add any object and apply a geometry nodes modifier. Use object info nodes for the mouth and head. Combine them with a mesh boolean, then separate geometry to keep only edges. Convert edges to curves with mesh to curve. Profile them with a curve circle, then use curve to mesh and set material. Adjust the circle's radius to control line thickness. For cleaner outlines, duplicate the head and name it head fake. Remove the boolean from this duplicate and use head fake in the geometry node setup to avoid cut artifacts. To animate, move the control bones to pose smiles, frowns, and phonemes. Use the inner bone for open mouth shapes and bold stylized expressions. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to